We are going to discuss about halogenation reaction of benzene. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of halogenation reaction and what is the type of the given reaction. Introduction of halogen atom to an aromatic ring which may be benzene is known as halogenation reaction, and it is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction because the above reaction is taking place by the help of electrophile. Let us consider interaction of benzene with chlorine in presence of anhydrous Cl3 results the chlorobenzene and hydrogen chloride as a byproduct. In the given reaction, the removal of hydrogen atom is taking place from benzene ring, which is replaced by chlorine atom. So it is an example of substitution reaction. Since the above substitution reaction takes place by the help of electrophile, therefore it is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. In the given reaction, anhydrous aluminum chloride is used as catalyst, and this reaction is also known as chlorination of benzene. Since benzene reacts with chlorine, results the formation of chlorobenzene and HCl as a byproduct. The mechanism of this reaction can be explained in three different steps. The first step involves the formation of an electrophile by the interaction of reagent molecule with catalyst. Aluminum chloride is a Lewis acid and electron deficient molecule, therefore it has tendency to gain 2 electron, which is given by the sigma bond of chlorine molecule, results the formation of Cl plus electrophile and AlCl4 minus. The second step involves the attack of electrophile to an benzene, to an aromatic ring which may be benzene. In the interaction of electrophile to an aromatic ring, the involvement of pi electron is taking place. This process is slow step, results the formation of carbocation intermediate which undergoes resonance stabilization and results the formation of resonance hybrid, which is also known as sigma complex. And in the third step, the removal of proton from sigma complex or carbocation intermediate is taking place. So you can see that the carbocation intermediate part, in which the proton atom is removing out by the nucleophilic part of the reagent, that is AlCl4 minus, and due to the removal of this proton from the carbocation intermediate, it results the formation of chlorobenzene plus HCl, and aluminum chloride is removing out or regenerated since the catalyst does not consume during the reaction. The third step is very fast, very readily it takes place, whereas the second step, in which the interaction of electrophile to an aromatic ring is taking place, is an example of slow step, and therefore it is considered as rate determining step. So in the given three steps, interaction of chlorine taking place to an aromatic ring or benzene ring. It is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction since the electrophile part or reagent is taking place in the given reaction.